sunny morning, a group of ants was on their way, marching in a straight and orderly array. They met a little bee, hiding from a hungry bird, trying to stay safe and not be heard. But when the ants stopped, the bee attacked. The peaceful march was thrown off track.
Prepare yourselves. Stay strong and fight back as one.
Together they fought with all their might until the bee could no longer put up a fight. Victory was theirs. They celebrated loud and clear, a lesson learned that teamwork conquers fear. Thanks for watching.